Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we will be doing self-practice 9H. Okay, the question is express the following in milliliters. So you have to convert the given value is in liter. So the given value liter which is in liter should be converted into milliliter. So whenever the question is asking to convert liter into milliliter, then you will do a multiply with 1000. Multiply with 1000. Okay. So just see an example here. I'll be starting with the self practice 9H only. So you have to convert 25 liter into milliliter. Yes. So if such is the condition, then you will multiply with 1000. Inside the bracket you will write ml as you are converting into milliliter, right? So 25 into 1000, I have already told that whenever you are converting liter into milliliter, you will multiply with 1000. Okay, so what is the answer? 25 ones is 25. How many zeros are there? 30. So it is 25,000 ml. So whenever you multiply 1000 with 25, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are 2. Now what is the answer? 3, 5 plus 0, 5. It is 25000, isn't it? Just see. Otherwise, I'll just give you the simple hint that how many 0 are there. You'll write first that 1, 2, 3 and this 25 into 1 you do it. 25 ones are 25 and then write, or you may just do one thing. 25 ones are 25 first of all. Then how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Simple. Okay, this is also another way of doing it. So proceeding to the next one, 9 liter into ml. Just simply multiply with 1000. What I have told you, you'll first multiply this first part. 9 ones is 9. How many zeros are left? 30. But this is the way of doing. Okay, you may multiply also like this, 1000 into 9 to cross check it. 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0 and 9 ones are 9. What is the answer? 9000 is the answer. Okay, proceeding to the part C. Here there are two units, liter and milliliter, right? So this liter and milliliter, as you have to convert the value into milliliter. So this will be safe because milliliter is in milliliter form. No need to convert again in milliliter. How you will do? No, it's not possible. So first of all, what you'll do here is you will only convert this 22 into 1000 and in between what you'll put plus here and 347. Outside the bracket you will write 1 unit. Milliliters and liters in your science, I hope you have studied. These are the two basic measuring unit of a capacity. Capacity, you know, I guess capacity is the volume, capacity is the measuring of any like if you have jug, mug you have saw in which the liquids are kept. What is the capacity of a cup? Say this is your cup here and this is a big jar here. Who can hold, or who can which object in between these two can hold much water or liquid? Of course this. So the capacity of this object is bigger. Understood what is the meaning of capacity? Capacity is the measure of liquid or the tendency of an object to hold a liquid or any solution inside it. It may be tea, it may be your juice. So here in between these two, this jar has the capacity to hold more liquid. So this is the capacity, and to measure this capacity you have liter and milliliter. Okay, whenever you are converting liter into milliliter, multiply with 1000. Whenever you are converting milliliter into liter, you'll just divide with 1000, which I'll be showing you now in the next question. So whenever you are converting liter into milliliter, as you have to convert in 1 unit, so you'll just put the plus in between in over here, and here you'll multiply it 1000. 22 ones are 22. How many 0? 3 zeros are there, plus 347. Now you just plus it. 22000 and 347. What will be the answer? It is 74322. It is 22,347 milliliter. Yes, I hope you have understood it. This is very easy, isn't it? Just you have to convert liter into milliliter, as because this is already in milliliter form, you'll keep it safe. But in between this two, you'll put plus sign, multiply 1000, okay, you'll get the answer. So this part D will be a home assignment. All right, children, you'll do it yourself. Proceeding to the question number 2, we have express the following in liters and then milliliters. So here what you have to do is you have to convert this milliliter into liter also and as well as milliliter also. Now in first question what we did, we converted liter into milliliter by multiplying with 1000. Now here we have to convert milliliter into liter and milliliter. So here you will divide that number with 1000. Simple. This is a division sign here, not percentage. Okay, so I'm writing here, this is a division sign. Okay, I'm writing here the division sign, not the percentage. So I will correct it here. This is a division sign. Okay, so 4000 to convert milliliter and milliliter, what you will do is you will divide with 1000. Okay, now when you divide this, what you'll get, you all know how to divide. You'll do this in your rough work. 1000 into 4 is 4000. 4 ones are 4 and how many 0? 3 0. So 4000 minus 4000 is 0. So it is 4 liter. Okay, here there is no milliliter, as whatever will be the remainder that will become your milliliter. But here there is 0 milliliter. So you may write 0 milliliter also, or just simply the answer is 4 liter. Understood? This is the way of doing. Next, 5978, when you convert into liter and milliliter, you'll divide with 1000. So whenever you are dividing, this division part you will do in your rough work, okay, rough side. So I am doing here, sorry, 4 zeros I have written, 1000, 5978. So 1000 into 6 is not possible, you'll get 6000, which will be bigger. So I'll choose 5 here. 1000 into 5 is 5000. Minus it, 879. What is the answer? It is 5 liter. Now 978 cannot be divided by 1000, right? Which is bigger. So it is 5 liter. Whatever is the remainder, I have told you that whatever will be a remainder, that will be your milliliter. Understood? See, this is 5 liter, 978 milliliter. Proceeding to the next question, 7506 milliliter. Okay, just do simple division with 1000. Whenever you do so, just see 7506. 1007 is only possible. Subtract it. 6, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. The answer is 506. The remainder is 506. Now 506 cannot be divided by 1000. So the answer is 7 liter 506 milliliter. Yes, student, I hope you have understood this very well. Now you can understand in another way also. Here there is 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are dividing with 1000. So this will be actually a liter and the remaining one will be a milliliter. Okay, so here also just see, 4 will be a liter. Now only the zeros are there, so 0 ml. Here 5 liter, 978 milliliter. So this is also the shortest way to solve your work. But in your examination, I'll see the process also, how you are doing. Okay, so number D will be a home assignment. All right. Okay, student, proceeding to question number 3, we have to add here. Okay, so there are 3 numbers given: 44 liter 420 ml, 35 liter 360 ml, and 84 liters 965 ml. So there are 2 units, liter and milliliter. So the arrangement should be done very properly. So what is the liter value? 44. Another unit for milliliter is 420. So you'll just place it very systematical. Arrangement should be done in a systematic way. You'll do it. Okay, 84, 965. Now this is the first and foremost thing which is very important work to do. Okay, then here you will start adding. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. Yes, and 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 4 here and 1 in hand. Now 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 9 is 9. You will first of all you will carry your 8 here and you will make 9 stick. But addition you know how to do. I hope you have a better idea till now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes. Now 1 in hand. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 in hand again. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. So your answer is 164 liter 745 ml. Alright children. I hope you have understood this very well. Yes. So let's proceed to part B. So here we have the part B. Similarly here we will arrange the two units first of all. The first is 120 liter 106 ml. Next 45 liter and 56 ml. Next 97 liter 235 ml. Now add it. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Now this 1 will be remaining there. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 there. Now no remaining in the hand. Here it is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 in hand. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 in hand, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 262 liter 397 ml. So student, whenever you are doing such conditions addition, then you need to have a better idea of the addition and the subtraction. In the next question we are also going to do with the subtraction process. Alright, so we will keep here today. Now the question number C and D, okay, from self practice 9H will be a home assignment. Question number C and D from self practice 9H is a home assignment. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.